Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this light and dewy summer makeup look. Kind of a little bit of inspiration from that whole wet makeup trend that's going around. And yeah, so there's just like a bunch of highlighter that I used, and it's super light and pretty natural, so it's perfect for the summer when it's hot outside. And yeah, so let's get started. To start out this look, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever HD foundation and the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector, and I'm just going to mix the two on the back of my hand. So adding that illuminator really makes your foundation a lot more dewy and not so matte looking. It sort of helps with like making your foundation look a little bit lighter and not so heavy on your face, which is perfect because that's the look that we're going for today. Now I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Now I'm going to apply a liquid highlighter. This one is the Tarte Gleamteam. There's a cream side and there's a liquid side. So I'm going to be using the liquid side, and I'm going to just dot this on the high points of my face. And I'm using my beauty blender. I'm going to lightly blend this in. Now I'm using this Japonesque finishing powder, and just because it's really light, and I'm going to dust this on my face, try to avoid where I want it highlighted and not make my face look too matte, but we do need to set this foundation. So now we're going to take a break from the face for a little bit. We're going to go on to the eyes. So I'm going to be using this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette. It's so pretty. These are the different shades. So I'm going to start out by applying the shade Tiki, which is right here, and I'm going to apply that to my lids. I'm using this palette because there are so many different shimmery shades, which is perfect for this dewy summery makeup look that we're going for. Now I'm going to go into the shade Malibu, which is right over here. It's a little bit darker. I'm going to add that to my crease. Going into the shade Jewel, which is a kind of goldy bronze color. And I'm applying that to the outer half of my lids. I'm applying the shade Raise, which is right here, and I'm applying that to the inner half of my lids. Now I'm going into the shade Escape, which is up here, and I'm going to apply that to my inner corners, and I'm going to apply the shade Treasure to my brow bone. I'm even adding a little bit of that shade to my inner corners. Now I'm going back into the shade Malibu, and I'm going to add that to my lower lash line. I'm going to add a little bit of the shade Heat Wave, which is more of a pink shade, and I'm going to add that to the very center of my lids, along with a little bit of the shade Treasure. Now I'm applying some lashes, but these ones are just super light, if it would focus. Yeah, these are super light. These aren't very heavy lashes, so that is perfect. Now I'm using the Tarte Maneater Mascara. So I didn't apply any liner or anything because I want to keep this look as light as I possibly can. I'm going to add a little bit of bronzer, and I'm using the Benefit Hoola one. Especially since it's the summer, you want to look a little bit tan. Now I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics The Wet Set to use this because I want to use some of these shades for blush. I'm going to go into the shade Sugar Coated and Sweet Dream and mix those two shades and apply them as my blush. I'm going to add some Kylie Cosmetics Loose Powder Highlight in the shade Santorini, and I'm using this one because this will definitely give me a dewy makeup look. Like, that's a dewy makeup look. This highlighter is insane. So that's like pretty highlighted. Added some to my inner corners. I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Gloss in the shade Damn Gina. So I'm just finishing the look by applying some MAC Fix Plus to give us even more of a dewy look. This is the finished look. It's super natural and dewy, and it was pretty quick to do, and I love how much highlighter is in this look because highlighter is my favorite thing. But yeah, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. You guys can go check out my last video and my vlog channel. You guys can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, which will all be linked down below in the description, along with all the products that I used in today's video. And yeah, so I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!